MSU Bozeman leaders took that master plan to the Montana Board of Regents on Wednesday morning. Now they're seeking approval on an expansion that would add 40,000 square feet of building space to the Bobcat Stadium.
Now that would change the whole north end of the stadium. The football program would need to relocate to the stadium complex, giving them more space for the first time since 1958.
But as MTN's Cody Boyer reports, the improvements extend well beyond the field of play.
For the bang for the buck, it benefited every single student athlete and program that we had.
The brick field house and the Bobcat Stadium have seen thousands of students for decades, but as MSU Director of Athletics Leon Costello can vouch for, it needs to grow.
It's really the only project that we've done outside of some minor facelifts within athletics since the end zone was completed in 2010. To continue the growth that we see on campus, we need to catch up a little bit in athletics as well.
And to win the race, athletes will need to exercise their brains.
Our student athletes do very well in the classroom and they graduate at a high rate. Now with this space, we'll be able to focus on maybe on a little bit more details of their needs.
Well, the athletic director says this process is just about in the end zone. And when it's all done, this whole northern part of the field, along with other parts of the university that will be renovated, will transform, giving athletes that want to call themselves Bobcats a place to study and, well, even more than that.
We'll have a weight room in the new facility. We have a weight room still in this building. We have athletic training services in that facility. We have athletic training services here.
40,000 square feet and 2 stories of new space, not to mention 3,500 square feet more renovated across the street at the field house. You take the football program and move it over to the new area. Costello says that's space that is well needed. As of today, out of the $18 million price tag, $16.5 million of that has already been raised.
We've had approximately 300 individual donors to this with about 320 donations.
Costello says with help from donors, athletics can work more to get ahead, less to catch up.
As people drive onto campus, onto Kagi, they're going to see this facility and it's going to be a great way to welcome them to our campus.
In Bozeman, Cody Boyer, MTN News.
And here near the Electric City